Today's is video. We are playing Bulati. Ito. Ito po muna ito. Okay. Gusto ko yan. Ay, ang net. Teleport man ako. Bakit? Wala naman. Talaga to siya. Ay, napik ako. Hindi pala. 1 hour later.
Ano ko po andyan?
Ilan upuan? Isa lang? Dito lang? Dalawa? Ay, tatlo.
Skip tayo. Skip. Pinakot lang ako yung bulati yan. Tatakutin ko pa din ito.
Mangga yan. O, Chise. Bili ka dyan.
Wala na, chair. Bakit? Ayaw na. Isa lang pala ako para dito, Sasamin kita. Salamon kita. Samon kita. Sinasamon kita. Samon kita. Sinasamon kita. Of the God's will. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Open the door.
Mommy will try to make lots of money and come back for you. I promise. Goodbye, my sweet baby.
Asan bloki?
Is it time for you to move into my tummy yet? Go, Bogo. These muscles were born to save the world. Hands up, you guys. Time to watch my favorite TV show.
Dito. Okay, daan.
Food class.
It's really late. If your dad comes downstairs and sees this, he is not going to like it. Huh? Who could still be visiting at this hour? Oh, hello, little one. Why are you standing here all by yourself? I'm so
Pa.
sorry, but I already have 5 little kids in the house.
Yo, nakuha ko na yung credit card. Malapit ko na mag-credit card.
Oh my goodness. Brandon, really breaks my heart. But I'm sorry, I truly can't take in another.
No, Mommy. I'll share half of my hamburger with her. I really will. Bogo. I'm strong enough to take care of her all the way until I go over here. She warms up my heart.
Tinakot lang ako.
Mommy's still testing. But I'll ask everybody first. Guys,
Tapos na yan.
Gaga, comment, adopt.
Tinakot lang ako. Kumantado ka? Bakit na yung
We will adopt this poor sweet baby.
Oh my goodness. papatay. Hindi nila ako papatay.
All right, I agree. Come inside, little one.
Oh my God.
So happy.
Gusto mo lang. Shut the fuck up. Ang pagsuto ito.
My hamburger is hot, but my heart is even hotter.
Pag
With my precious gaming time with you. Logo, my muscles are ready to protect you. Please accept this precious child in my soul, princess.
ay, sinakal lang ako.
You're only 3 years old. This is definitely
Orange key.
Can I give you just one little kiss on the cheek?
Just
Gaga, come slip in my room with me. I promise I'll guard you.
yes! Yes! Nawin ako. At di ako nakakulik ng badge. At least, nawin ako sa Philippines ko. Then, nawala ko lang dito. Lagi naman eh. But, yun pa din ako yung channel. See you guys later. Bye!